NFC, or Near Field Communication, can connect mobile phones to absolutely anything, from payment and ticketing terminals to access control points, objects, meters, machines, and appliances. Users love NFC for intuitive, secure connection with a simple gesture. Nothing is more reassuring and satisfying than opening the right app with just a tap. Along with low cost, low power consumption, and security, exceptional user experience is leading more embedded systems designers to try NFC. On the other hand, creating NFC apps for iOS and Android is not obvious for many. So where can you go to get professional results with minimum effort and minimum coding? IoTize's App Creator offers designers a complete online environment for creating the user interface for their NFC app. App Creator minimizes both the expertise and effort needed to master NFC and mobile app design. And it includes an app project generator for both iOS and Android. App Creator is an intuitive drag-and-drop environment where designers can rapidly create a responsive UI for their app without coding. They benefit from pre-implemented infrastructure for common features like menus and user logins. And designers simply add graphical components to their user interface from a library of standard configurable components. With just a few clicks in layout mode, designers can create and organize their app, like this simple NFC viewer. They can then test it in the integrated preview mode. And with its multi-language feature, App Creator also helps designers organize the translations of their text for their user interface. Behind this graphical interface, App Creator's data flow editor also makes it easy to implement communication with any NFC device. With its object-oriented approach and pre-implemented NFC functional nodes, creating your NFC app is as easy as adding and linking a few nodes with the graphical interface. In this simple NFC viewer, we're simply transforming NFC messages to text and linking that text to a text field in the graphical interface. For this simple interface, we just link together a start node, an NFC device detection node, and a JSON to text translation node. Clearly, there are many more things that we can do with App Creator. The data flow editor has a complete library of nodes for managing NFC and specific NFC device features, not to mention mathematical and logical functions and inline code. Now, to complete our simple design, we link our nodes to one of the graphical components that we already created in our display, in this case, a display text field. When the data flow and the dashboard are set up, we can test the app without building a final app. Our Tap Manager app for iOS and Android allows designers to access the dashboards they're creating and test them on their mobiles. Just install and launch Tap Manager on the mobile. Then tap the mobile to the NFC device, and here we can see the NFC transmission. From a simple example like this, there's no limit to what you can create as an NFC app. You can enrich the data flow with nodes and routines that interpret and display the application-specific messages and data. You can add custom display fields, graphics, buttons, and controls to the interface. App Creator's drag-and-drop approach makes it easy to evolve your app design, as we've done in this more advanced version of our NFC Reader app. App Creator and our App Generator allow designers to control the graphical look and feel and the branding of their NFC apps. They can add custom graphical components, logos, splash screens, and control text display with its integrated features. Or they can adapt the code that is output by our App Generator in projects for Android, iOS, and web apps. With IoTize app creation tools, your designers get the most control of their NFC apps with the lowest requirements for expertise and effort. For more information about App Creator for NFC and for personalized demonstrations, email us today at contact@iotize.com.